You may have seen our episode on a trash can turkey, where we used the trash can to bake a turkey in about 2.5 hours. We talked about the fact that we didn't start with a bright, shiny new metal trash can. We burned it out ahead of time to get those oils that were used to process the can, and also some of the chemicals that are on the can to be able to keep it from rusting. So the first thing we need to do before we do that is to take even the lid, because we have an upcoming project that we're going to use the lid on, and we're going to put it right on the fire. And we're going to take the same thing with the can, and we're going to put the can right over the fire. And what we'll do is, over the next half an hour or so, I'll keep spinning the can. I'll put it on top of the fire. I'll put the can upright on top of the fire until we get a nice char on the outside of this can and the inside of the can. So we'll come back and we'll see what it looks like as we go through that process. Okay, we're making some good progress. The lid is basically done. We took and spun this around several times to get each area, not totally around, but to get each portion of it. You can see our can. This baby is hot. You can see the different colors. The galvanized can. We got a little bit more here to go. That was already done a little bit before. I think what I'm going to do is, for right now, is we'll try it sitting upright like that, so the bottom of the can gets burnt off well, and then I'm going to take and flip it over and burn out the inside. Well, our trash can is fully baked off. Nothing shiny left on this can, ready for plenty of turkeys. So I hope you enjoyed this session of tips, tools, and techniques on Grubmasters. Please share, comment, like, and enjoy the great outdoors, and get out there and start cooking.